How to download and install CarX Street game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily get CarX Street game downloaded on your Android, whether you are using a mobile device or tablets. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the left-hand side menu or at the bottom and tap on search, and in the search bar type in CarX Street. Look for the CarX Street application from CarX Technologies and tap on install. Now all you need to do is to wait for the application to download and install on your device. The CarX Street game is big and may take time to download and install. Make sure you have an active internet connection and enough storage space. Once the application installs, you can tap on the play button and start playing CarX Street on your Android. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.